For years, we couldn't recommend HexClad. That changed in 2024, and the new pans are genuinely impressive. Here is a quick context. The original HexClad used PTFE, which is the same chemical family as Teflon, and that was a hard no for us. So when readers asked, the answer was always the same. Love the build, can't get past the coating. But then in 2024, HexClad rebuilt the pan with a new ceramic coating they call TerraBond. PTFE is gone. And here is why this is a real upgrade, not just a marketing one. HexClad sent the new pans to LightLabs, which is an EPA-credited ISO 17025 facility, and they published the full panel right on their product page. Every PFAS compound on the panel came back non-detect, below the lab's detection threshold. As HexClad puts it, less than a drop in an Olympic pool. Public third-party PFAS testing on a product page is incredibly rare, and most cookware brands don't actually do this. HexClad did, and they deserve real credit for it. Now, the build was always the strongest part of this pan, and it still is. With a three-ply stainless over an aluminum core, it resists warping, it handles temperature changes really well, and it feels like a pan that's going to last a really long time. And here is where HexClad pulls away from most ceramic pans. This Hex Lattice, the raised stainless steel pattern, it actually protects the coating so you can use metal utensils without panicking. Most ceramic pans, that is an instant no. It is also dishwasher safe, oven safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, and LeafScore ran hours through multiple cycles with no issue. For a ceramic coated pan, that's really unusual, and that's a big part of why this thing earns its kitchen real estate. Now, that said, treat it like any ceramic for cooking. Low to medium heat, slow ramp up. The dishwasher and the metal utensils are durability features. The low heat is how you actually protect the nonstick performance over time. And one thing on our wish list before we go all in, the LightLabs panel covers PFAS. We would love to see HexClad add heavy metal testing, such as lead, cadmium, arsenic. The same way that some other brands we like already do. They've shown that they're willing to publish lab results, so we are optimistic that this is coming soon. For now, the new TerraBond HexClad earns 3 leaves from us, a real recommendation with room to climb. And if you have been HexClad curious and the PTFE was your holdout, well, that holdout is gone. Have you tried the new ones? Drop your honest take below. I read them all. Until next time, happy cooking.